what needs mending. Walk what needs walking. The way means an extra mile. Pray for what needs praying. Say what needs saying. Cause we're only here for a little while. Today I stood singing songs and saying amen, saying goodbye to an old friend who seemed so young. While he spent his life working hard to chase a dollar, putting off until tomorrow for the things he should have done. Well, it made me stop and think, what's the hurry, why the running? I don't like what I'm becoming. Gonna change my style, gonna take my time and not take it all for granted. Cause we're only here for a little while. Gonna hold his holding, mend what needs mending, walk what needs walking. Though it means an extra mile. Pray for what needs praying, say what needs saying. Cause we're only here for a little while. Let me love like I'll never see tomorrow. Treat each day as though it's borrowed, like it's precious